I'm a jeweller and metalworker living in St Ives in Cornwall. I'm inspired very much by nature and my surroundings. I'm very much interested in surface pattern and texture. Jewellery, obviously you're a little bit restricted because the items have got to be worn, and I wanted to work on a slightly larger scale. I think Cornwall is an amazing place to live, and I've been here for about 7 years now. The colours of the sea and the changing of the seasons, you get different colours again on the coastline. And the rocks, the amazing patterns and textures on the rock surfaces. And I love beachcombing and collecting. So when I'm making a wall piece, initially I'll start off with some drawings of the actual seaweed, so I'll collect pieces and I'll take photographs. To produce the etched pieces, I will do a drawing, outlines of the metalwork. That's then sent away to a company who does the etching for me. Then I'll end up with a variety of pieces. Rather than designing it all on paper first, I'll lay it out roughly. So it's a process of soldering the pieces together, and as you heat the metals, the colours will change. Sometimes they'll go the right colour straight away, and other times you need to keep heating them. Then I apply fluxes to the surface, which will again give more texture and colours. Finally, once the piece is assembled, I will then hammer it to harden it and then bend some of the pieces. You can't get the colours and the patterns and things the same each time, so they are unique one-off pieces. People seem to like the fact that it evokes the natural world and it evokes Cornwall, and often people want to take a little bit of Cornwall home with them. Hopefully my work will remind them of what they've seen along the coast.